You've seen things spin before, but never like this. This is N13, the self-spinning system that bends physics under your command. Spinning deck, freeze it midair. Let magic begin before the trick even starts. A coin floats at an angle, defying gravity. Pause it and restart. N13 lies one of the most precise motors ever built, engineered with 3D printed perfection for flawless balance. It fully charges in 10 minutes and keeps spinning for 3 hours. N13 redefines what's possible in modern magic. Compact, rechargeable, and performance ready. Anywhere, anytime. This isn't a gimmick. This is power. Don't just perform magic, command reality. Get yours now worldwide.